Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Windows 11 step by step, so you can safely switch or log out of your account. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button at the bottom of the screen. This is located on the taskbar and gives you access to your apps, settings, and account options, making it the main control center of Windows 11. Step 2. Click on Settings, which opens the System Configuration panel where you can manage your device, accounts, and preferences in one place. Step 3. In Settings, click on Accounts from the left side. This section handles everything related to your user profile, sign-in options, and account management. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Your Info. Here you can view and manage your account details, including whether you're using a Microsoft account or a local account. Step 5. Click on Sign In with a local account instead. This option allows you to switch from a Microsoft account to a local account, which is required before signing out in this method. Step 6. Click Next to continue. This confirms that you want to proceed with switching your account type and prepares the system for the next step. Step 7. Enter your current account password and click. Next, this step verifies your identity to ensure that only authorized users can make account changes. Step 8. Enter new local account details and click. Next, here you create a username and password for your local account, which will be used after signing out. Step 9. Click Sign Out and Finish. This will log you out of your current account and complete the process, allowing you to sign back in with the new local account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.